Dustless Blasting is the most versatile blasting machine out there that allows you to start your own business by performing jobs like paint stripping, cleaning, automotive restoration, marine maintenance, and so much more. Starting a business with a Dustless Blaster provides freedom and opportunity. But what if you're passionate about the profession you already have? Our equipment is here to support you in your calling and make industries everywhere better than ever. From pool cleaning companies to painters, concrete businesses, and construction sites, Dustless Blasting machines can be an asset to just about any industry or job site, due to its unparalleled performance and ability to suppress dust. You can be the total package by providing removal services before adding that new fresh coat. Or being the go-to for maintenance at the marina or job site. Be the business that stands out. Be the one to take your company to the next level. Be the industry insider with a Dustless Blasting machine. Head over to dustlessblasting.com to figure out how you can be an asset to your industry.